Okay, so I first brought you this video about a mysterious figure at the Notre Dame fire. This tragic event has people all over the world watching what's going on. And when I came across this video here, you can see this strange figure. I'm not sure what he was doing. And I wanted to see what other people thought and if anybody could help me answer the question, who is this and what is he doing? The first video got a ton of response, many different answers to what people thought he was there for, and of course, in the beginning, I did not think that he was, a paranormal or ghost figure. I just thought he was a guy up there, a pretty brave guy. But here's some of the relics that were actually able to be saved from inside the cathedral. Luckily enough that not everything perished in the fire, and it looks like they're going to be able to rebuild fully. But anyways, back to this guy. So everybody had a response. Some people thought that it was, a fireman, a construction worker, a clergy. Some people laughed at all that and thought that it was something different. I wanted to keep an open mind and try to do the research. And lucky enough that somebody on Twitter was able to send me a message, and we were able to solve the mystery and get some answers on who this gentleman actually was. But the first report said that all of the first responders weren't in the building because it was unsafe due to the fire. But after a little more research, we found out that there was actually still first responders in the building in different locations, checking the structure and trying to figure out the best game plan to extinguish the fire. And you can see here in a second there's a picture of a gentleman, a fireman, and a couple of them, but they have a distinguished hat. You can tell their helmet there is this kind of a gold helmet. For whatever reason, but this is a picture of it. But if you look here in this picture, this is the same video that I showed. It's actually a fireman, checking to see, I guess, how they can extinguish the fire. So the answer is it's a fireman. So it looks like, too, that they're getting a lot of donations. Almost $1 billion have been donated, so it looks like they're going to be able to fully rebuild without any problems. So I want to appreciate everybody that watched the first video, that watched this video. If you'd please hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our content in the future, I would appreciate it. And thanks for watching, guys.